See that there? That's Chili Island. I'll tell you more about that soon. That's sweet corn. But we're doing a little pond project to clean up the green soupy pea pond, because it is like pea soup. And yesterday I got these off of a marketplace, Facebook, 25 quid for the pair. The UV lights, and well, they're supposed to clear up green algae water, and they're bad boys. They're like 100 and some quid online each, and the old fella wanted 25 quid for the pair. And I had a look, they both work. He said his pond's been took down, he's too old to look after it. He had a big pond, so they were his UV filters. So judging by them, he had a big pond. I'll show you the pond, Dad's pond. It's green, it's always been green. We'll have a look at the flowers. Look, flower garden, look for the bees. There's the pond. The bees are over there now, not next to the pond, in their own little flower garden. This is a pond. It is green. You can see a bit clearer because I bought a UV bulb for his filter because it's not had one in, but I've been taking water out, right, obviously. So we've got some hay in there, the old meadow hay bullshit trick that apparently don't work. Some activated charcoal. Don't know what it does, might do something. Had a little disaster yesterday. All my little pondweed escaped from me biofilter I built, so I've got to fish it out and contain it again. See it? That little floaty weed. It grows and it covers the water and then cleans the water. Yeah, there's the grand waterfall. That's got to be changed. See, this is Dad's filter. And the pond's been green for years, really. Never really see the fish. But I bought a UV light for that yesterday, and that's like 11 watts. So, and it's a big pond. And I built this. It's one of them sand gravel filters. Water's fed in from the top down. There's a catch basket with loads of holes in it. It's basically a pot that you plant flowers in your pond with, and then all different gravels, media, then volcano rock things, filters. I bought filter panel pack from the aquaponics pond shop, and then I've put a herb garden in the top, so it'll be like a biofilter, and also a garden. So hopefully it's going to clean the pond up, but a bit later. I'm waiting for a new 90 to go in there, because that one's small and it's sort of restricting the water a bit. And then I'm going to leave it running for a month or two and see what it does. But that's what it's like now, so I'll keep you updated on how much cleaner it gets. And I'm going to get a bit of pipe and plumb one of them giant 55 watters in. So I don't think it needs two, we might, but we'll plumb one in. See that? Just gurgles away down there. Gurgle. Hopefully the plants will grow nice. Yeah, floating herb garden in a very dirty pond. I'll give you another update tomorrow at the water, and once the filter's gone on, and we're going to contain this weed. Well, it's not weed, it's pond plant. Day 2 with the pond filters. Not much difference in the water. Bit of difference, you can see the brick down in the corner, so it's clear on top. My water lettuce escaped. So day 3 with the big filter on. And look at that, you can see the bale of hay that's in there, covered in green. And you can't make it out because of the sunlight. You can see the shelf, and you can't really see it on picture, but it is there. You can see the water lily anyway. So it's cleaning up the pond. The water coming out there looks really clean, really clear. Let's have a look in the filter. Can't quite see it. The water in there is pretty minging still. What I did, I put this valve on to slow it down going into there because it was just going in and rushing through and pushing all the green back out. So now I think it's trapping it. And then that water level rises, the more like clogged up it gets. So when that starts getting to the top, open that down there and get the green stuff out, and then get the green stuff out there, and then see that little pipe there, push air down that and it bubbles up from the bottom and push all the green up, then you get it out there. So it's definitely working. We'll update you again tomorrow. Pond update. Skipped a couple of days, so this is like day 4, well, 3. But you can now see the water lily. You probably can't on my camera because it's shit, but you can see the water lily, look, all of it, even the top of the pot. See where all the green's dropped and settled, but you can see a good 6 inches in there, so it's working. I shocked my plants though, look, I think they're dead. I think it's killed my plants. That's clearing up. I've slowed it right down. I think it's shocked my plants. So I'll give another update in a few days. You can see the shelf, look. I'll give another update in a few days when it's even clearer. So a big ass UV light works.